In today's video, I'm going to show you a tool that you guys can use to get low-angle shots with your toy photos. And welcome back to another toy photography tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to utilize mini tripods to get low-angle shots with your toy photos. It's great to get low-angle shots because it lines your lens up directly with the front of the figure, almost eye-to-eye level, to kind of give you that realistic feel rather than shooting down or up on your toys. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be utilizing this. This is called the Decade Mini Tripod. You can get it on Amazon. It's really affordable. It's only $39. It's a platypod clone. So if you guys are familiar with platypods, those are the more expensive versions of this. There's also other ones that you can get, but I like this one because it's really sturdy and you can also wrap it around a tree. The ball heads are not included, so you'll have to buy or use one that you already have or buy one because you just get the plate with the adjustables. And it's really great too. You can even use these indoors. They have rubber bottoms as well as spike bottoms depending on if you're outside or inside, so that way you don't scratch any surfaces. But in today's shot, I'm going to be doing a simple shot with my Mace Windu figure. And I'll show you guys the setup. We'll take the shot, and I'll show you guys the final image. So then let's go. Alright, so here is the setup that I decided to go with. As you can see with the platypod, they have these adjustable, or not the platypod, the Decade Mini Tripod. You have these adjustable pins right here, which then you can lower and raise the entire plate to whatever height you want. So I kind of just want the lowest settings. You don't even have to use these pins. You can just use the plate itself. I just like using the pins just because the plate can slide on really smooth surfaces, especially when you're indoors. So just keep in mind on that. So I just went and did a low angle shot there. But as you can see, it's really a sturdy option, and look how low to the ground that I am. I can also switch this into a portrait mode setup too, and my camera won't be hitting the ground either. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna take this shot, and we'll talk more about the Decade Mini Tripod after. And here's the final photo that we took outside, edited via Photoshop and Lightroom. As you can see, the Decade Mini Tripod is a great option to get low angle shots with your toy photos and really bring your viewer into the photo, as well as making your toys look as realistic as possible. Now, before I found the Decade Mini Tripod, I was using the Adobe Gorilla Tripod, which is a great tripod, and I believe majority of the people probably use this. It's still adjustable, and you can wrap it around things. It is pretty sturdy, but my camera has rolled down a little hill as well as in the dirt. So I wanted to find a more sturdy option, and I found that with the Decade Mini Tripod. This is still adjustable, and this is a metal plate, and this thing is very sturdy and gives me the confidence when using my expensive photography equipment. You can still adjust it with the pins like I was going over outside, but if you are a Lego photographer, there is a better option out there for you called it's the Manfrotto low angle tripod that almost gets your camera to the ground, and it is also very sturdy and you can adjust it. But that would be a better option for you than the Decade Mini Tripod. This is better for 1/12 scale and up, but the Manfrotto one is better for Lego as well as any other smaller toys below like 1/12 scale. You can still use this, but I would suggest the Manfrotto one for the smaller stuff. But I'll have a link in the description with the Decade Mini Tripod as well as the Manfrotto tripod, so you guys can go check that out for yourselves. Also, linked in the description is all the gear that I use for my toy photography, as well as a link to my website where you guys can check out my work, as well as my Instagram and other social media will be linked down there as well. If you guys want to see any other videos going over some of the stuff that I do in Photoshop or Lightroom, like you saw in this video today where I had the lightsaber and the lightsaber glow, please leave a comment down below, and I'll be happy to do a video on that for you guys. That's going to be it for this toy photography tutorial. If you guys found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more toy photography videos. I'm Brett England with Brett England Photography. Thanks for watching. Keep taking photos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.